Hello everyone, so today's workout plan is all about complete triceps or back of upper arm training. So today's workout is all about advanced level of training which is helpful for the women for toning up, and it will also helpful for the men to grow the big muscle mass. So today's workout will include both machine as well as free weight exercises. So this both type of workout have its own different benefits. For example, machine workout will give you the strength and power development in muscle, whereas the free weight exercises will help you in developing the good muscle endurance and stamina, and it is also provide a good range of motion which is helpful for training each and every muscle fiber.
So first exercise is EZ bar triceps extension. Here all the three head of triceps will work, but mainly isolating long head of triceps. Exercise is reverse grip triceps extension, which is isolating particularly medial head of triceps. While doing this exercise, make sure that you keep your elbow fixed side of your body. Third exercise is straight bar triceps extension. So this is isolating again medial head of triceps. While doing this exercise, again make sure that you do not move your elbow. Is cable rope triceps extension, which is isolating the lateral head of triceps. So fifth exercise is overhead triceps extension, which is targeting the long head of triceps. So while doing this exercise, make sure that you keep your upper arm parallel to the ground. exercise is cable horizontal triceps extension, which is isolating particularly the long head and medial head of triceps. Exercise is one arm cable triceps extension, which is targeting the lateral head of triceps. While doing this exercise, make sure that do not move your elbow and let it be fixed to the side of your body. Exercise is triceps dips. This is isolating the lateral head of triceps. So while doing this exercise, make sure that do not lock your elbow at the end of movement. Ninth exercise is single dumbbell overhead triceps extension, which is targeting again long head of triceps, which is very helpful for toning up the sagging of arm. Tenth exercise is one arm dumbbell overhead triceps extension, which is targeting again long head of triceps. Exercise is triceps kickback. So this is targeting or isolating particularly the long head of triceps. So the last exercise is dumbbell skull crusher, which is targeting the long head of triceps. While doing this exercise, make sure that you keep your wrist straight and do not bend it towards your head.
such informative video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.